Hello students, today we are going to solve MCQs in first chapter of math first, that is linear equations in two variables. Now here choose correct alternative for each of the following questions. Now first example is to draw the graph of 4x plus 5y is equal to 19. Find y when x is equal to 1. That is, we have given value of x is 1. Means put this in this equation, value of x is 1, we get value of y. That is 4 into 1, value of x is 1, plus 5y is equal to 19. Therefore 4 plus 5y is equal to 19. 5y is equal to 19 minus 4 is equal to 15. Therefore, y is equal to 15 upon 5. Dividing by 5, 3. Therefore, y is equal to 3. Correct answer is B. Second, find the value of determinant 5, 3, minus 7, minus 4. Now we know that in determinant, first take cross multiplication of these two. That is 5 into minus 4, 5 into minus 4, minus 7 into 3, minus of this multiplication, minus 7 into 3. Equal to 5 into minus 4 is minus 20, minus into minus plus 7 into 3 21 plus 21. Therefore is equal to plus 1. Correct answer is D. Next, for simultaneous equations in variables x and y, dx is equal to 49, dy is equal to minus 63, d is equal to 7, then what is x? Now we know formula, value of x is dx upon d. And what is value of y? dy upon d. Here x is equal to dx upon d. Put value of dx is 49. Divided by d is 7. Dividing by 7, 7. Therefore, x is equal to 7. Correct answer is A. Number 4. To solve x plus y is equal to 3, 3x minus 2y is equal to minus 4 equal to 0 by determinant method, find d. We have to find value of d. Now by determinant method, for determinant method, first write this in the form ax plus by is equal to c, that is x plus y is equal to 3. Write this as 3x minus 2y is equal to minus becomes plus 4. Now we have to find value of d. Therefore, determinant d is equal to, now determinant is the, now first row is the coefficients of x and y. That is 1, 1, 1, 1. Second row 3 minus 2, 3 minus 2. Now solve this determinant. Equal to 1 into minus 2 minus 2 minus 3 into 1 is 3 is equal to minus 5. Answer is C. Now next example, question number 5. ax plus by is equal to c and mx plus ny is equal to d, and an is not equal to bm, then these simultaneous equations have. Now we know that if an is, we know that there are three conditions. Now first condition, there are three conditions. First conditions, if a1 upon a2 is equal to b1 upon b2 is equal to c1 upon c2, then solutions are infinite. Solutions are infinite. Second condition, if a1 upon a2 is equal to b1 upon b2 is not equal to c1 upon c2, no solution. No solution. And third condition, if a1 upon a2 is not equal to b1 upon b2, then unique solution. Unique solution. These are the three conditions. Now this example we have given a1 into b1, that is a into m, a into n, coefficient of x into coefficient of y. an is not equal to bm, that is third condition. Therefore this equation have one and only one common solution, that is unique solution. हे कोणत्या फॉर्म मध्ये, an is not equal to bm, हे कोणत्या फॉर्म मध्ये, a1 upon a2 is not equal to b1 upon b2. ह्याला कसं लिहिता येईल, a upon m is not equal to b upon n. क्रॉस मल्टिप्लिकेशन केलं, an is not equal to bm. This condition. Therefore it has unique solution, that is one and only one solution. Number 6, what is the value of k if k5 is the solution of simultaneous equations? Now k5 is the solution of these two equations, means this satisfies these equations. सॅटिस्फाय करतं म्हणजे x ची व्हॅल्यू काय ठेवायची, k, आणि y ची व्हॅल्यू 5 ठेवा. इन फर्स्ट इक्वेशन, therefore 4 into value of x is k plus 3 into value of y is 5 is equal to 19. 4k plus 5 into 3 15 is equal to 19. 4k is equal to 19 minus 15 is equal to 4. Therefore k is equal to 4 upon 4. Therefore k is equal to 1. Correct answer is D. Number 8, what is the degree of the determinant ABCD? Now here in this determinant there are two rows, this is first, second, and two columns, two rows and two columns. Therefore degree of this determinant is 2. Two rows and two columns. Therefore degree of determinant is 2. Number 8, what is the value of dy? What is the value of dy for the simultaneous equations 3x plus y is equal to 1 and 2x minus 11y is equal to 3? Now we have to find value of dy. Now first dy is equal to, आता आपल्याला हे माहित आहे dx म्हणल्यानंतर काय करतो आपण, कोएफिशिएंट ऑफ x च्या ऐवजी कॉन्स्टंट टर्म आणि dy पाहिजे असेल तर काय करायचं, y च्या ऐवजी कोएफिशिएंट ऑफ y च्या ऐवजी कॉन्स्टंट टर्म. दॅट इज फर्स्ट राईट डाउन dy इज इक्वल टू डिटर्मिनंट ऑफ फर्स्ट कॉलम 3 2 ॲज इट इज, 3 2 जशाल तशी लिहिली. आता सेकंड मध्ये पहा, y च्या ऐवजी काय लिहायचं, कॉन्स्टंट टर्म 1 3 1 3. Now solve this determinant is equal to 3 into 3 9 minus 2 into 1 2 is equal to 7. Therefore correct answer is D. Next question number 9. For the simultaneous equations in x and y, if dx is equal to 39, dy is equal to 26 and d is equal to 13, then what is the value of x? Now we know formula, x is dx upon d is equal to, what is value of dx? 39 upon value of d is 13, dividing by 39 3. Therefore x is equal to 3. Answer is 3. Next, number 10. What is the value of k for which the simultaneous equations 2x plus 3y is equal to 8 and 6x minus ky is equal to 24 have infinitely many solutions? Have infinitely many solutions. Now we know that what is the condition of infinitely many solutions? a1 upon a2 is equal to b1 upon b2 is equal to c1 upon c2. This is the conditions. Therefore put values. a1 is 6 upon a2 is 2. Sorry, a1 is 2. a1 is 2 divided by a2 is 6 is equal to 3 divided by minus k is equal to 8 divided by 24. Now here dividing by 2 1 3, dividing by 8 1 upon 3. Now these two are equal, 1 upon 3 1 upon 3, therefore this is also 1 upon 3. Therefore from this we write 3 upon minus k is equal to 1 upon 3. Therefore minus k is equal to, or 3 into 3 9, minus k is equal to 3 into 3 9, cross multiplication. Therefore k is equal to minus 9. This is the answer. Number 11. Accept which value of k does the simultaneous equations 5 minus kx is equal to 10y and x plus 15y is equal to minus 1 have a unique solution. Now we know that condition of unique solution is a1 upon a2, that is 5 upon 1. 5 upon 1. Sorry, first write down this in the form ax plus by is equal to c. That is minus becomes plus kx plus 10y, kx plus 10y is equal to 5. And here x plus 15y is equal to minus 1. Now what is the condition? Taking, therefore we know that you have unique solutions, therefore a1, that is k into 15, k into 15 is equal to, is not equal to 10 into 1, 10 into 1. Therefore k is not equal to 10 upon 15, dividing by 5 2 3. Therefore value of k is not equal to 2 upon 3. म्हणजे 2 upon 3 व्हॅल्यूला हे इक्वेशनला युनिक सोल्युशन नसतं. Therefore answer is 2 upon 3, D. Number 12. the simultaneous equations 3x minus 3x plus 4y is equal to 7 and 9 upon 2x minus 6y is equal to minus 21 upon 2 have. Now here first we write this minus 3 upon 9 upon 2 is equal to 4 upon minus 6 is equal to 7 upon minus 21 upon 2. Now by taking reciprocal we can write this as 2 into 3 6 minus 6 upon 9 is equal to 4 upon minus 6 is equal to 2 into 7 is 14 upon minus 21. Now dividing by 3, 2 upon 3 minus 2 upon 3, 2 upon 3. Here also 2 upon 3. All are equal. Minus 2 upon 3 is equal to minus 2 upon 3 is equal to minus 2 upon 3. Now we know that if A1 upon A2 is equal to B1 upon B2 is equal to C1 upon C2, therefore it has infinitely many solutions. Infinite solutions. This is the answer. Thank you.